Looking for a modern way to emphasize your financial content? Sure, PDFs are great, but let's say they're not really that attractive. Flipsnack is your go-to partner for designing your own financial booklets and making them look attractive. Let's see how. First, create your own brand kit in Flipsnack. It will be handy when customizing a financial booklet template in our design studio. Add your own fonts, custom colors, logo, and more typography settings. Feeling creative? Start from scratch. But keep in mind, our vast library of templates are a solid starting point. For the sake of this video, we'll start with a modern business design template and customize it to our needs. Flipsnack's design studio is packed with unlimited editing options. Add more pages, drag and drop shapes, edit text size and typography, and so much more. See? This is why creating your brand kit in the first place is so important. You can either upload your own images if you've got any high-quality ones, or choose from a vast stock library. I'm sure you'll find the ones that fit the bill. Make it interactive. Add anything from links to videos about money and investments to social media buttons and more. Options are limitless. Finally, save and share your financial booklet with the world. Embed it directly into your website, share it with everyone or only with your own company. It's up to you. Flipsnack gives you multiple ways to communicate your message to a specific audience. So how about taking your financial content to the next level? You can do all of this and more. Create your own financial booklet today.